Are you looking to buy a new home in California? Check out these three lies you've probably been told before you buy that house. Myth number one, all lenders are created equal. You might think that it's okay to just apply to any old bank, whether it's an online bank, one of the big banks, or a local bank. What you really need as a buyer is a qualified lender that's going to work with you and your unique financial situation. They're going to help you understand what you qualify for, which is really the most important part, is making sure that you qualify for the right home and then making sure that you get into the right loan product. So you want to make sure that you're working with a lender who's going to be available. They're going to be able to answer your questions and they're going to get you into a loan product that works for you. Myth number two, you don't need to have a home inspection. Now, the home inspection is probably one of the most, if not the most important thing that you need to do when you buy a new home. You wouldn't buy a car without taking it for a test drive. You shouldn't buy a house without doing a home inspection. Now, it's a couple $100, but you're really going to learn what works and what doesn't work in this house. It also gives you an opportunity to learn how much is it going to cost to fix all this? So make sure that you're working with a qualified home inspector and they're going to walk you through this entire home. They're going to point out all of the things that you never would have seen just going to an open house. Myth number three, you don't need a real estate attorney. Yes, it's true in California, most people don't hire a real estate attorney, but it shouldn't be that way. You're literally the only ones in this transaction who don't have an attorney. Your real estate agent has one, their broker has one, your lender has one, title and escrow have an attorney, but you as the buyer don't have one. If you want to make sure that your assets are being protected and that you know what's inside that contract and everything else you get during this transaction, you should consider hiring a real estate attorney. Now, I know that these lies, they may seem big and scary, but let me tell you, there's a lot more out there. Your Home Legal is here to help uncover the lies that you've been told about buying property. Use the link below and schedule a call.